So I'm Tyler Kennison, and this is my role-playing assignment number 2 for my personal selling class. And what we're supposed to do is, there are 3 case scenarios, and we have to take each case and three different questions about them. The first question is identify 3 most important parts of the buyer's business. The second one is discuss what might have interfered with your ability to identify the buyer's biggest concerns. And the third one is what techniques do you use to understand the buyer's case and if there's any problems. The first case is the Spirits One Productions, and they are a party planning industry. And their 3 most important parts for them is the partnerships they make, relational and strategic, their signage, and then their positioning objectives. For each one, the partnerships are just how they interact with their customers and stuff. The positioning objectives are if positioning means what position they want to occupy in the minds of their consumers, and signage means the sign of the logo and their slogans. So what might interfere with them is if the buyer is giving off this perspective that a body language that they just don't want to be there, or they're confused by these terms because they don't know what these terms mean. And so what technique might I use? I would just read their body language and play off of that. And also, if I was I would ask them questions, be like, are you sure you know what these words mean? And just try to help them out as much as possible. For the second case is a real estate one, and their 3 terms are site selection, site plans, and RFP, which means referral for proposal. Site selections means employees who review the traffic patterns and demographics of areas in order to pick the best place to put stores, and then site plans is the layout of the shopping center. So what might interfere is if the buyer's way too excited, like they're giving off the body language of like, this is the best industry ever, I want to work with them. So you could that could throw you off. And also, like the other one, the confusing terms in case you don't know what real estate terms mean. So I would ask questions again. That would be the best technique to use. Just ask some questions, make sure everyone's on the same page about everything, and hopefully we'll walk out for that. And then the third and final case scenario is a paper product manufacturing. And their 3 terms are polystyrene foam, total manipulable solid waste, and then methane gas. And the meaning, one is just foam cups. The solid waste is just garbage at dumps that isn't the liquid form. And then methane gas is just gas that will harm Earth due to the greenhouse effect. And something that would interfere here would be if your body language is giving off like you're ignorant and you look like you don't understand what's going on. And that could be that makes sense because some of these terms would be very confusing for most people who don't know what these terms mean. But the third thing, I would ask questions. Make sure you can get a well-defined answer about each term, so you can help the buyer understand a more capable thing of understanding. Thank you.